Hey everyone, welcome to SrsPass.com. We're going to go through how quick you can get started on SrsPass. First, go to SrsPass.com. So once we're at SrsPass, we'll be presented with the welcome screen. So we go to SrsPass, we read the welcome screen, we click Next, we choose the setup that we'd like to do in this case. There's full setup, quick setup, existing user. I'm doing quick setup right now. Then we click Start Setup. Then we're going to create our unlock password. This is the one password we need to remember. Click on Confirm once you've created your unlock password, and then click Next. And the setup is complete. To start using SrsPass, all we do is we type in our unlock password to log in. The password I created for my unlock password is my password. You would create your own password. You can click on Show Password to see your password. And then click Unlock. And then we fill in the two fields. We have Login field, which is where you'll put your username or your email address. And we have the website, which is where you'll put the URL that we're visiting. Then you click Generate Password. And that's it. Then you copy that and just put it into the password field on the website that you're at. That's a brief description on how to use SrsPass. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay secure.